Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today interview question is filter out the odd numbers and even number from the given list. So here we have list of integers, so that is 1 to 10. So now we need to filter out the even numbers and odd numbers separately. So for this one, we will just take the numbers we have created as numbers, the right list and numbers, and we will take stream. So stream is a method, it will the convert the list into a stream of elements. Okay, so now to find out the even numbers and odd numbers separately, we will use filter function. So it will take the predicate, that is a functional interface, and it will the return type of the predicate is a boolean. So based on our condition, it will provide the true or false. Okay, let's take filter, and the condition is to find out the even numbers, odd numbers. To check the even numbers, the condition should be like element, lambda expression, and element. So this element should be divisible by the 2. So when we divided by this element divided by 2, that equals to 0, that means it is even number, right? So we have written that condition. Now we need to collect this data. So for that one, we will use collect method dot collect, and here we will use collectors method. So collectors dot. So we need to pass this data, collected data, to list. Okay, so for that one we will use to list. So let's assign this to one variable list of. So the data type of this list is an integer. Okay, let's write integer, and let's create a variable like even numbers. Okay, so now let's find out odd numbers. Okay, numbers dot stream, and to find out the odd numbers, the element shouldn't be divisible by 2, right? So let's take filter and e element e, it's not equal divisible divided by 2, but it not equals to 0. And let's collect this data to new list. Okay, and let's assign this one to new list, and here also the data type is a integer, and odd numbers. Okay, so now we are returning the even numbers and odd numbers separately. Let's print this one, and let's see the output. Okay, this out even numbers, even numbers, this out numbers. Okay, sorry, odd numbers. Okay, let's run this application and let's see the output. Okay, here you can see the even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So okay, we got the expected output, and as even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, by using Java 8 streams, we have efficiently filtered out the even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, so try your own ways and by using different ways. So how can we find and how can we find out the even numbers and odd numbers in different ways, like by using some other filters and some other techniques by using by this exam with this example. Okay. And if you found this as useful, please do like and subscribe and leave any comments and any suggestions.